outside. It's pretty boring now. I mean, you can't really do anything outside. What can you do with rain? Seriously, make a Rain Man? Have a rain ball fight? It's just... Rain is the most insane weather there is. What are you doing?
Playing in the rain! Crying!
You're crazy, man. See you later. Disgusts me. I mean, it's just... And a mosquito bit me too. A mosquito bit me when I was in here. This is going insane! I think my dad is coming. He thinks I'm weird for talking to myself while talking to the camera. I think my mom does too. At least I don't act like a freak like my brothers do during the rainstorm.
Is it over?
That guy that was in the previous clip wasn't me. Okay, it was. I hate thunderstorms. Hopefully this thunderstorm ends soon, because then I can't record a video outside.